I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. She brushes her teeth before breakfast. She brushes her teeth before breakfast. He drinks coffee with his breakfast. He drinks coffee with his breakfast. They walk to school together. They walk to school together. We read the newspaper in the morning. We read the newspaper in the morning. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Birds sing in the trees. Birds sing in the trees. The mailman delivers letters every day. The mailman delivers letters every day. Dogs bark loudly at strangers. Dogs bark loudly at strangers. Cats nap in the sun. Cats nap in the sun. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. She takes a nap after lunch. She takes a nap after lunch. He goes for a run in the evening. He goes for a run in the evening. They watch TV before bed. They watch TV before bed. We go to bed early. We go to bed early. The train arrives on time. The train arrives on time. Buses run every 30 minutes. Buses run every 30 minutes. The store opens at 9 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. I check my email in the afternoon. I check my email in the afternoon. She waters the plants every day. She waters the plants every day. He sweeps the floor after dinner. He sweeps the floor after dinner. They play video games in the evening. They play video games in the evening. It rains often in the spring. It rains often in the spring. He takes a shower before bed. He takes a shower before bed. They walk their dog in the park. They walk their dog in the park. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. Birds chirp outside the window. Birds chirp outside the window. I go shopping on Saturdays. I go shopping on Saturdays. She talks to her friends on the phone. She talks to her friends on the phone. He cleans his room on weekends. He cleans his room on weekends. They do homework in the afternoon. They do homework in the afternoon. We go for a hike on Sundays. We go for a hike on Sundays. The clock ticks loudly. The clock ticks loudly. The fridge hums quietly. The fridge hums quietly. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. She reads a book before sleeping. She reads a book before sleeping. He cooks dinner for his family. He cooks dinner for his family. We listen to the radio in the car. We listen to the radio in the car. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. The moon rises at night. The moon rises at night. I write in my journal before bed. I write in my journal before bed. She practices yoga in the morning. She practices yoga in the morning. He mows the lawn on Saturdays. He mows the lawn on Saturdays. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. We have breakfast together. We have breakfast together. The computer boots up quickly. The computer boots up quickly. The phone rings loudly. The phone rings loudly. I walk the dog in the evening. I walk the dog in the evening. She combs her hair before leaving. She combs her hair before leaving. He feeds the fish in the tank. He feeds the fish in the tank. They go to the gym after work. They go to the gym after work. We take the bus to school. We take the bus to school. The printer prints documents. The printer prints documents. The clock chimes on the hour. The clock chimes on the hour. I take vitamins every morning. I take vitamins every morning. She irons her clothes on Sundays. She irons her clothes on Sundays. He checks the mail in the afternoon. He checks the mail in the afternoon. They tidy up the house before guests arrive. They tidy up the house before guests arrive. We cook dinner together. We cook dinner together. The cat scratches the furniture. The cat scratches the furniture. Birds build nests in the trees. Birds build nests in the trees. I water the garden every evening. I water the garden every evening. She studies for exams at night. She studies for exams at night. He fixes his bike on weekends. He fixes his bike on weekends. They listen to podcast while commuting. They listen to podcast while commuting. We go for a swim in the pool. We go for a swim in the pool. The dishwasher cleans the dishes. The dishwasher cleans the dishes. The washing machine spins the clothes. The washing machine spins the clothes. I make a cup of tea before bed. I make a cup of tea before bed. She practices meditation in the morning. She practices meditation in the morning. He takes out the trash on Mondays. He takes out the trash on Mondays. They play board games on rainy days. They play board games on rainy days. We go for a walk in the park. We go for a walk in the park. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. I answer emails during work hours. I answer emails during work hours. She paints in her spare time. She paints in her spare time. They visit friends on weekends. They visit friends on weekends. We take photos on special occasions. We take photos on special occasions. The microwave heats up food quickly. The microwave heats up food quickly. The TV remote controls the television. The TV remote controls the television. I stretch before exercising. I stretch before exercising. She writes in her journal daily. She writes in her journal daily. They play basketball after school. They play basketball after school. We go for a bike ride on Sundays. We go for a bike ride on Sundays. The birds sing outside my window. The birds sing outside my window. The neighbors chat over the fence. The neighbors chat over the fence. I water the plants in the garden. I water the plants in the garden. She walks to work every day. She walks to work every day. He reads the newspaper with his coffee. He reads the newspaper with his coffee. They go for a run in the park. They go for a run in the park. We watch movies on Friday nights. We watch movies on Friday nights. The train stops at the station. The train stops at the station. The alarm clock wakes me up. The alarm clock wakes me up. I feed the fish in the tank. I feed the fish in the tank. She writes poetry in her spare time. She writes poetry in her spare time. He listens to the radio while driving. He listens to the radio while driving. They visit family on holidays. They visit family on holidays. We clean the house on weekends. We clean the house on weekends. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. The moon glows at night. The moon glows at night. I take a shower before bed. I take a shower before bed. She brushes her hair before sleeping. She brushes her hair before sleeping. He checks his email in the morning. He checks his email in the morning. They cook dinner together. They cook dinner together. We listen to podcasts on long drives. We listen to podcasts on long drives. The computer crashes sometimes. The computer crashes sometimes. The phone vibrates when it rings. The phone vibrates when it rings. I play guitar in my free time. I play guitar in my free time. She watches the sunset from her balcony. She watches the sunset from her balcony. He takes photos of nature. He takes photos of nature. They go for a picnic in the park. They go for a picnic in the park. We have dinner with friends. We have dinner with friends.